Are you kiddos ready to check out this new toy?
Yeah.
All right, let's see what we got here. We have a 5-in-1 transforming toy. This combines things that my kiddos absolutely love. It is dinosaurs, it is construction vehicles. These are so cool. These are also the kind that you push and they go on their own with the kinetic energy. These are different types of vehicles. There's excavator, there's a crane, there's a wood car, there's a fire rescue vehicle, there's even a concrete mixer. These are made out of a BPA-free ABS plastic, and they're a fun way for kiddos to work on hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills. You can also combine these and make them into a robot. So I'm gonna let my kiddos play a little bit and show what they look like whenever they're all combined.